Tsunami, Christine, maybe 8 months ago, 6 months ago. They're only now getting around to fixing the collapsed road. Check it out. Collapsed road. You see that over the corner? That is death. Half the road collapsed. Crazy. This is the main highway. So it took them 6 months just to get the workers here. And now they're working on it. It's gonna take them a year. The workers, 2 years to fix.
Yeah.
It's so dangerous. And this is the main highway of
West Coast Road.
West Coast Road in village of
Pantao.
and the city of
Libon.
Providence of.
Albay.
It's amazing. And imagine in US, again, for those of us who love to shit on our country, we would fix our main highway the next day. What kind of respect does it show for these people? They're driving in such danger. But the government, I don't think they collect taxes from 75% of people here. It's a different world.